guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we have a really exciting haul which came from Daily Charm and we're going to take a look into it right now. We have all sorts of things, foils, crystals, powders, gels. I cannot wait to show these to you.
So the first thing we have here are some of their transfer foils. This is their metallic bundle and it is, in my opinion, the most versatile, as you can create tons of different effects with this type of transfer foil. Then we have their glittery art gel, both in gold and silver. Now, I've already tried these in other colors and I can tell you they are amazing to work with and super pigmented. The gold one is really pure gold shade. It isn't too yellow, isn't too champagne, it's just perfect gold. The silver one I would describe as a cool tone silver, which is, in my opinion, the best version of a silver shade. And the best part about having a gold and a silver is that you can have nail art that goes with any nail set that you'll do. Up next, we have their holographic chrome in gold. And I cannot wait to try this one, as I've never tried this line of chromes from them. But basically it's just like any other chrome, you'll buff it over top of a non-white gel top coat. Plus, the color looks absolutely gorgeous. They also sent out their silicone tool to buff the chromes. Let me know if you want to see a video where I would test it out. And here we have two of their chrome powders in lilac and pink. This line of chromes is by far the best I've tried, and all brands included. So I wouldn't expect less from these two. I'm really so happy they decided to add more colors like these to this collection. Then comes their Stay Put Jelly, which is made to help crystals and embellishments to stay put. I'm thinking of doing a battle of the different crystal gels I have. Let me know if you'd like that. They also sent out some stunning embellishments in snowflakes, V-shape, cute bows, which you will definitely see in soon-to-come sets. Plus some Swarovski crystals that I absolutely love. We have their Value Mix in Pastel Opal and in Colored. The shine of these is just wow. Now let's jump into their gels. The first one here is their Diamond Shine Top Coat, which is a no-wipe top, and I have to say it goes on super smoothly and makes nice even thin coats. Then comes their Chrome Effect Gel, which is formulated specifically for their chrome powders as the coat underneath the powder. To finish with their 5-in-1 Straightening Gel, which I'm really excited about because it can be used as a sealer over chromes and foils to prevent chipping. It also adds strength to the nails and even more. And now for the last part, and the one I was the most thrilled about, their Charme gels, which is their relatively new gel polish line, and I was so excited to try it out that we're going to swatch each of them right away. The first one is color 001 Perfect Black. I will top it with their Diamond Shine Top Coat, and I forgot to mention earlier, they now have these gels labeled on top of the bottle, which I think is absolutely genius. Now, as you can see, with two coats, it is 100% opaque and really black. To continue with color 002 Perfect White. As I always say, black and white are always what you want to have to test the opacity of a polish line. And let's be honest, they're both super opaque. Yay, Daily Charm, points for you. Next is color 203 Skinny Dip. This one is a soft rosy toned beige, super versatile and would fit with just any set. This one is color 205 Vintage Lace. It's sort of a mauve shade with lots of beige undertones to it, perfect for a discreet nude mani. Here we have color 305 Sweet Dreams, the perfect baby pink. Nothing else to add. Next up is number 403, True Love. With Valentine's Day coming up, this beautiful rich cherry red would be my first choice without a doubt. Then we have color 901, Enchanted. This one really is my type of shade as I am crazy for these whitish purples and I really love this one. And the last color, number J01, Chiffon. The J, I believe, stands for jelly, so it is made to be very sheer, and I would love to see this pretty coral on top of a holographic powder. What do you think? These were all the colors and I have to give them an A+ without hesitation. These colors not only are beautiful and in super sleek packaging, but they go on super smoothly and make perfect thin, even coats, which is crucial when working with gels. If we take an overall look at the products we got here, Daily Charme never disappoints. They put so much thought into every single detail. The first thing I think of when I see their products is amazing quality. And we like that, don't we? And I'll just add a huge thank you to Daily Charme for sending these over. I'm always super happy to review their products as they always turn out amazing, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next.
So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!